Okay, for number 9 on the practice math test, I want you to first remember PEMDAS, and then remember that when you're solving for a variable, you're going to actually go backwards. So any addition or subtraction you need to do first, and then we'll deal with things that are inside of multiplication or division. So anytime that we see an addition or subtraction, we're going to think of these things as separate items. So we really have essentially 4 different terms here. So the first one I'm going to deal with is this minus 12k because I'm trying to get r by itself. So this is what I need to get by myself, so I'm going to get rid of this. And the way I'm going to do that is by adding 12k to both sides. And when I do that, I get 6 plus 7m plus 12k is equal to 4 over r. Now, to get r by itself, because it's in the denominator, the thing that I like to do is to multiply both sides by r. I could also take the inverse of both sides, and I'll show you how to do it both ways, because you can do it both ways. So the way that I found that students get less confused is multiplying both sides by r. And when you do this, make sure that you put all that other stuff in parentheses. So when you do this, these r's cancel out, and I'm left with 4 on the right-hand side. And then to get r by itself, I'm going to get rid of the stuff in parentheses. So I'm going to divide by 6 plus 7m plus 12k. And because it's all in parentheses like that, I can do it all at once like this. And so then my answer is going to be r is equal to 4 divided by 6 plus 7m plus 12k. And it's going to feel like you want to simplify it, but don't worry about that. It's just not worth it. The other way you can do this is by taking the inverse of both sides. So that's essentially putting all of this to the negative 1. So this is all divided by 1 if there's nothing underneath. So when I take the inverse of that, this is going to flip upside down. And whatever I do to one side, I also have to do to the other. And so the right-hand side is also going to flip upside down. So on the left-hand side, I'll have 1 divided by 6 plus 7m plus 12k. And on the right-hand side, I will have r divided by 4. And then to get rid of the 4, because it's divided by 4, the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'll multiply both sides times 4. And I'll get 4 divided by the 6 plus 7m over 12k. And that'll be equal to r. So either way you do it, you get the same answer. And that's it.